For those of you that have been following this channel, today's the day. And for those of you new to the channel, I've previously said that there's going to be change coming, and again, today is the day. Now, let me preface this with, it's been a good ride, but there comes a time when we need to grow up, or ante up with you will, and take our appearance to the next level. That being said, the tools being used today, let me grab them, are a set of hair clippers and safety razor. For those of you intrigued by shaving transformations, or you're curious to see how a certain haircut will look with or without a beard, this is going to be for you. We're going to treat this like a band-aid, and we're just going to rip it right off. Deep breath, deep breath. It's been a while, like I've said. So yeah. Here we go. For those of you that don't know, it's for an upcoming project in Iceland that I'm doing with the beard struggle. There's a Viking theme to it. So I was going to let my hair grow out and do the kind of mohawk that's relatively long, but I didn't have a proper amount of time to let it grow out all the way. So we're buzzing it. Let me do this, and then I'll continue with what exactly we're going to be doing today. Now, like I was starting to say, we aren't going to stop here. Today, we're actually going to be bicking my head. Now, I've never done this before, and it was not until recently was the first time that I've ever shaved my head. So we are definitely anteing up and going to be taking it a step further. But first, let me finish the rest of this haircut. All right, here we are. I'm not gonna be too OCD about patches in my head, being that we're gonna be taking it all the way down to the skin anyways. But let me give you a full 360 view of what we're working with. Okay, now next up, I'm gonna go ahead and wet my head, then lather some shaving cream up there, and then get to using the razor. I'm actually scaring myself as I'm watching this happen. I completely butchered myself. Check this out. All right, there we have it. In all honesty, I see myself and I'm a little scared. I'm not gonna lie, but this is exactly what we're going for, especially when taking into consideration the Viking project in Iceland that we're gonna be doing with the beard struggle. So yeah, I would definitely say mission accomplished for having an aggressive appearance. Also, I hope that this pleases those of you that have been requesting non-stop that I actually bick my head. So I hope you like this. I hope you like the fact that I did this. I mean, that would have been cool to say for, let's say if I were to reach 20,000 subscribers, that would have been something cool to do. So we're just gonna have to figure something else out. But yeah, for the first time doing this, it was a little difficult. That being said, like I had mentioned earlier, for those of you that do shave your head all the time, please let us know in the comment section below any tips or tricks that you may have pertaining to shaving your head with a razor. That's going to do it today. As always, I hope that you found this video helpful, most definitely intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace. We'll see you in Iceland.